everybody. So I literally look awful right now. I've just like washed my hair. Let me see if I can put you up. So I'm really thirsty. I always get these days right. I don't know if anyone else gets them where I drink loads of water like I do day to day anyway. I'm really sorry about my room, it looks really shit from here. But either way, I just get so like I feel dehydrated. I don't know if it's just because I'm really tired. But yeah, it's like really annoying. And I get it all the time. It's normally on a Saturday as well, so I don't know what that's trying to tell me. Maybe I'm just tired from the week. I don't know. Anyway, it's like literally sleeting right now. Like it's trying to snow, but it's not that. It is cold, but it's not cold enough to snow. But yeah, it's Saturday. What day is it? I think it's like the 19th or the 20th. I don't know. Yeah, it's a Saturday and I am off work today just because I had some days to take off. And I'm really sorry that I'm vlogging on my phone just because I know how annoying it is. Like I'm one of them people that I don't like watching vlogs on people's phones. But I lost my vlogging camera when I came back from Manga. And then I tried to buy another vlogging camera from someone off Depop because they were selling it for like a good price. And then she scammed me. And she took my money and I didn't get it back. And I didn't get the camera. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready. But I wanted to vlog a bit today because I haven't managed to get a video up this week because I've been sick. So I've been, you know, doped up on all the Calpol. Not Calpol. No, fun fact, Calpol makes me hallucinate. When I was a child and my parents used to give me Calpol, I used to hallucinate, like fully. I've just been ill basically, and it's annoying because I've had Monday off work as well, so I was only in Thursday, Friday. I've just been in bed because I've been really not very well. But regardless, I'm just gonna do my makeup. I've been listening to the Kendall Ray and Josh Lador, her boyfriend, her husband even, their podcast basically. I can't speak. And yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. But I'm gonna go into town because I need to get some stuff. I need to basically find something to sort my drawers out because it's really pissing me off that I need to get something to put my makeup in, but I haven't been able to get anything, and everything's so expensive. For like, you know, them acrylic drawers, they're like £25 each, and I'm like, fuck that. I also wanted to say a massive thank you for 10,000 of you. What? I don't know. That is crazy to me. I never ever thought we'd get to that stage, and you guys have just made that possible, so thank you so much. It's literally like a dream come true. It's like my only ever YouTube goal was to get to like 10k, and that was like 5 years ago. So yeah, it's been crazy. It's a crazy journey, but I feel like I'm finding my place in YouTube, which is sick. So this jumper's from ASOS. Ignore the background, like that's why I'm going into town today to like sort it out. And this skirt is also from ASOS, but I might change because I don't know what jacket I'm gonna wear. Kind of cute, but I don't know if it's actually like practical. Do you know what I mean? Because it's snowing. So since it's freezing, I've decided hair up because that's gonna be a struggle. I've just got my sister's coat on. I have this neck on from Zara, and I still have my skirt on. So I'm just gonna put some jewellery on. Some of my jewellery here. I'll show you it because I get a lot of questions about what jewellery I wear because I think it's a bit, I don't know, it's not like anything special, but it is nice. That's my room, hey. So the first bracelet that I can pull out, I have this one which I wear every day, and this is from my friend Connie. I don't know if you can see it. It's like it's like almost like a Pandora bracelet with a little charm, and it says, "You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." So I always wear this one on my right hand. Don't know why, I just do. So I wear it on here with the little message because I really like that one. Then I have these ones which I probably get the most questions about. So I have my beloved B1. I have a feather one. If you watched my, what birthday was it? Maybe 18th? I think it was my 18th birthday. I got these from my sister. So these are from Alex and Annie, and they're my favourite, and yeah, I really love them. I found them online when I was in hospital and I just fell in love with them. And then I also have a lotus flower one, which is pretty. I have my rings, so I have the Pandora one, which I always wear on this finger. I have this one, which is from, I think it was, I can't remember who it was, but a company sent it to me and I wear it on this finger. Then I have another Pandora one there. This one, which I absolutely love, which is from ASOS. I really like it because it's really dainty. And I'm trying to build up my ring collection a bit. I have another one of these, which are from the same brand, and I wear that one on here. So if I can get it on my finger. I've just got up and then I realised I have another bracelet. So this is my Pandora bracelet. I got this from my boyfriend at the time when I was 18. I don't think I should say this because I don't think he even knew this. I went to prom and I felt really, really guilty because I lost it. It fell off. So I bought another one, and I bought a little safety charm as well. And I rebought all the charms I had. But I like it because it's just like it's like silver. It's really cute. So yeah, I have this as well. So this segment of this video has actually told me that I wear way too much jewellery, but I kind of love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna shove some perfume on. That's not a sandwich towel, by the way. That is a Butter Bear bath bomb. This is the perfume I always use. It's by Rihanna, but it literally smells like so nice, and no one ever has it. And like people always ask me like what perfume I wear, and I'm like, it's Rihanna, but it's really good. I've had it since I was literally like 14. Well, I've bought different bottles obviously, but yeah, that's what it is. So Albie's got super duper big right now, haven't you, mister? Oh, you're a good boy. Yes you are. Yes you are. I love you. It's getting to the point now where I like go out and I miss Albie. It's a problem. Like I don't want to go out because I don't want to miss him. What? I need to get my shoes on, Albie. I do not trust the lifts in Ikea, so I'm going for the stairs. But I have no idea where I'm going. Like I literally, sorry. I've never been to Ikea by myself, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Just did a bloody Ikea shop by myself, didn't I? Nice. Literally £22. £22 for everything that I bought. Sick. I never go to Ikea. Like I literally never go. So I've just, do my hands look purple? Sometimes they do that. Sometimes my fingers and my lips go blue. It's really weird. Yeah, that'll work. So I've just got home. It's about 3. I'm just gonna have some lunch. I got this massive, you ready, cup of coffee. Look at it. It's literally massive, like compared to my head. I swear everyone compares things to their head. Like I've got a big head, so you know it works. But I got this from TK Maxx on Sunday. There you go, you can see it now. Today, I'm literally obsessed. But yeah, I'm just gonna research like the case that I'm gonna cover, but this is like hurting my head. I could literally hold you up. I'll show you what I got from Ikea as well, because I'm very happy and it was very cheap. And I'm happy that I went in myself actually, because I never go to Ikea. So literally the last time I went to Ikea probably was like 5 years ago. I was like traumatized by the fact that we had to do a case study on the Ikea where I live for geography in it was either year 11 or year 12. I think it was year 11. Yeah, year 11, and it was like, it was a lot. So yeah, I go into Ikea now and I'm like, did you know that there's a tree in the car park that is like 200 years old? Because it's like an innocent. Oh, you don't care. I don't know what I'm telling you. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my food and like research. I'm a good girl. I don't know why I'm listening to this song. Oh. First of all, don't know why I'm listening to this song. Like, it's like what I used to listen to when I was like 13. And I was like, oh my god, I love this person. Fucking hell. But I didn't. So, I've eaten. So, I've had my lunch, whatever. It's like 4 o'clock now. And I'm going to just show you what I got from Ikea. I was going to say Primark. Ikea. Not that interesting, but we're just going to go with it. It's cold. But yeah, so basically I went in there because I need stuff to separate my makeup. I don't know if I mentioned that. I feel like I did say something like that. Anyway, and I saw these like storage boxes online, which were like for pants and shit. But I was like, do I get them? Do I not? You know, and I was like, you know what? I'll order them. So I went to order them. £10 for delivery. I'm sorry, £10? These boxes were £6. So I was just like, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. That's stupid. So I didn't order them, as you can tell. And I live near Ikea anyway. Like literally, there's one like in my town where I live. I always get questions saying, do I live in a town? I live in a city. I call like the shopping part of my city town, and so does everyone else where I live. So if I refer to town, it's like just where all the shops are basically. Anyway, long story short, I picked up, so first thing I picked up was this. I thought would be handy. I can't remember how much it was. Basically everything I bought came to £22, so I was like, that is sick. This was in like the cutlery section. I nearly hit myself in the face. And I was like, I can work with that. So I bought that one. And I also bought this one, which, why am I making this complicated? Which is a lot bigger. So I bought this plant, which was very, very cute. So it just came in a little pot like this. I think this was like £6 or something, really cheap. And yeah, I know, I really liked it. So I bought this, and then I just saw one of these little like gold pots. So I thought, bingo, that looks nice, doesn't it? Cute. And I also bought these boxes, because I used to have the like floral ones. You know, they're just like, look how fucking gross it is. Look how gross this is. Are you ready to see? Yeah, it looks so much better. Oh, I forgot to tell you, Pip and I are actually going to the cinema tonight. We are going to see The Greatest Showman. She's already seen it. I haven't seen it yet, but it's like one of them films that I really want to see in cinema. So Pip was like, shall we go? And I was like, yes. What is my hand doing? Look how gross it looks. Yeah. So we're going there. She's on her way. I've just FaceTimed her. She's been in Leeds all day. Your face. Hello. Sorry. Hello.
Welcome to Marie's vlog. Welcome back to Marie's vlog.
I don't know why I just had a really weird thing then. I'm nasally. Pip made me ill.
I didn't. No, you don't have what I had. You'd be dead.
Not
You're
to be
not
dramatic.
You're
but...
not as ill as me. Well, it's a true. It's a fact. It's a true.
It's true.
I'm stupid. Okay,
No, Pip's here now. She's been in Leeds all day.
Saying goodbye to my sister. She's left for uni. Sad time. She's leaving for her 4th year, doing a master's, and I'm still.
You
zilch
applied?
I haven't applied yet. I put my choices in.
Yeah, I know, which
I
is
never thought I'd
sick.
say I really want to get into Cov Uni. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it.
She's such a posh
pumped.
bit.
I'm pumped.
You went from...
I'll be a Cov gal. Yay!
You went from, I'm not spending Cov in New Year.
No. I'm not spending New Year in Cov for a start. And plus, I didn't say that. I'm not spending Cov in New Year.
No, yeah. So Pip wants to go to Cov Uni.
Do psychology. Cause
PUSB! Do you know what that means?
PUSB. Pip, you sound bonkers.
Yes, you do. But
Pip,
also, it means play up Sky Blue. It's a football team.
Oh, I
Because
don't
we're
really
Cov.
give a shit about football.
Yeah, but everyone in Cov gets it. So if someone asks you,
Okay, I need to be an official Cov gal. don't I?
PUSB.
OGPUSB. Okay.
That's a lot of letters.
That's a lot less.
Yeah, so we're going to go see The Greatest Showman.
I'll sit for a second time because
I've already told them that.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that smile.
Yeah, no, we're going to go soon.
And that double chin.
You're so right.
Wait, show them my new
Lovely.
kicks. Move your fat leg.
I love your double chin and your fat.
My new kicks.
Yeah, cute. Can you do a Y stand? Because I can.
What's a Y step that?
Yeah, but...
You dickhead. Don't wash my hair today. I just thought I'd tell you that. Because I always wash my hair every day, but then I thought...
You're so bad. You shouldn't do that.
Yeah,
Every
I
2
know.
days.
That's why I didn't wash it today.
I thought you said brush.
No, wash.
I was literally like, didn't brush my hair today.
No, I didn't wash my hair.
Yeah,
I was
no,
like,
that's good.
healthy, new year, new me.
Yeah, New Year. We're not wasting water anymore.
Exactly.
We're on this like saving grind.
Saving the planet one greasy
let's-
head at a time.
I've
What
had
if you
a
think
lot.
it's shit, though?
No, I'm gonna love
I love it. I
know
want to
I
say it a
will.
second time.
Well, it's good job you fucking out.
I do this all the time. Like, we did that with Beauty and the Beast. I saw it like 3 times.
Yeah.
Because I love it.
Because I love it. Like, we haven't watched that since, have we?
No.
We did really
I'm
enjoy
sure
it.
we have. I definitely have.
I definitely have. You're such like a 4-year-old, like, my dad's stronger.
I didn't mean it like that.
At the roundabout, take your first exit onto A46 towards Beenleigh.
Shut up, Marie! You're ruining it! I must get to BC. I make no apologies. This is me.
In 1 mile, at the roundabout.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna say the word, gonna drown it out. This is me, this is Bruce, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching up to be a drum.
So good. I'm obsessed.
You know I want you.
Sing to me, Zach. Sing to me,
It's
Zach.
not a secret I try.
Sing to me, Bob. Zach, you fine ass booty. So guys, I think the last clip you saw of Pip and I was us driving home from the cinema, and I freaking loved it. Like, I don't know, I think it might be one of the best films. I don't know why, it just made me feel so good. Like, I just loved it, and we were listening to the soundtrack the whole way home. But it's now about 11 and I've already taken my meds, which I didn't actually realise at first, but like, I just took them and then I was like, oh, guess I'm going to sleep now. I am going to end today. If you enjoyed it, please let me know, because this was just like a really impromptu video. I'm going to try and get it up for tomorrow, and I don't really know what I'm doing tomorrow, so if I'm doing anything interesting I'll pick up my camera, but I don't think it'll be like, I mean, today wasn't exactly interesting, but you know what I mean. I had a good day because it was like really productive. My fake tan has gone awful. On that note, I should have really like scrubbed my fake tan off today because it's gonna go orange. But yeah, I had a really good day. It's been like super productive on my part, which I enjoy. And yeah, I'm gonna chill now, finish my podcast and go to sleep. So really hope you enjoyed today. Like I said, if you did, you know what to do. And yeah, I am gonna sit and reply to some of you on Instagram because it literally takes me about an hour to do that. So yeah, I shall see you soon. Bye.